Hey, I'm Curtis and welcome to episode 3 of GBL TV. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can renew an AWS certification by using a role-playing game. Let's go. So this past week I was at the AWS Summit in Washington, D.C. The event is open to the public. That means anyone can come in and learn about technology, generative AI, cloud technology. Sessions are there. Even information about training, and I was there to support. I had a couple of talks, and I was there to just answer questions. And one of the things that I kept getting was, how do I get started in the cloud? A lot of people just wanted to know, they had no experience. So one of the things that I recommend to get started to anyone is to do the Cloud Practitioner Essentials course on AWS Skill Builder. That is a free course, and you will get the foundational concepts down. On top of that, you should also do some hands-on training, and a great way to do that is with AWS Cloud Quest. And that's also free, the Cloud Practitioner version of it on Skill Builder. Those two courses together will get you started and get you on the way to prepare for the Cloud Practitioner Certification exam, which is a really good way to get started on your journey. There's also exam prep courses on Skill Builder you can take as well. Now, another question I got was, well, is a certification important? And I would say, yes, it is. A certification is the only way an employer or someone who doesn't know you can have some sort of validation or credential that shows that you've been working in the field, using the technology, or are proficient with using the services. So that's kind of the first step a lot of employers look for is, are you certified? And that's a really great way to get started because it takes you on a path to studying the concepts and practicing with the material. Now, coming back to certification, earning one is really great. And they are valid for about 3 years, but I think it's also important to keep it active. And some people are not great at test taking. They don't like to recertify because you have to take another exam. But now there's another option with AWS Cloud Quest where you can avoid taking an exam by doing hands-on training with Cloud Quest. You would do 12 solution building assignments plus a bonus challenge, and you would automatically renew your Cloud Practitioner certification for 3 years. No exam required. And the great thing about that is it's like continuing education because you're going to upskill and up-level with hands-on training. You're going to learn how to build 12 solutions on AWS using the AWS console. You're going to have quizzes. You're going to have videos. You're going to learn how to do reviewing architecture designs. You're going to get a lot of guidance along the way as well. So you can do this at your own time, at your own leisure. It takes about 12 hours to complete in total. And at the end of that road, you're more skilled, you have more knowledge about AWS, and you get to renew your certification for another 3 years. So that option is available, and it is free. So you wouldn't even have to pay for an exam. So we're doing a free beta that's available right now. So if you go to skillbuilder.aws, you can renew your Cloud Practitioner certification using a role-playing game. How cool is that? This sounds cool, so how do I get started with this? Go to skillbuilder.aws, search for Cloud Quest Recertify, choose that role, enroll into that course. Once you launch the game, choose the Recertify role. It will prompt you for your candidate ID. You have to be within 6 months of your certification expiring to be eligible, but it will check that. Once you meet the requirements, you can continue, and then you can start building your solutions and doing your bonus challenge to earn the renewal of your certification for 3 years. And you will also get the AWS Cloud Quest badge for completing the first 12 assignments, which signifies that you can build on AWS. And it's another credential to add to your renewal of your Cloud Practitioner certification. And that's it for episode 3. Hopefully it was helpful. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.